I know how everybody loves Dewalt tools. I love them as well. I've got quite a few Dewalt tools in my family. But working over the summer, I did something terrible to my impact driver. I dropped it from a high elevation, and look at this. Oh no! It's broke. What do I do? Am I out a $300 drill or $200 drill or whatever these things cost? I don't even remember. They're expensive. No, you're not. What you can do, hop on the old Amazon, and I'll have the link beep, boo, down below like everybody likes to point at, and you can buy a brand new case. Now, the only thing that's not totally cool is you miss that sticker, you're missing that back brushless motor sticker. Got the DeWalt logo, got to have that, but it's missing the 20 volt max XR sticker. Let's see. Other than that, I think it's pretty identical, right? Yeah, it's pretty identical beyond that. The plastics, they feel the same, so that's cool. You can basically recondition your power tools, which is cool. Or if you drop it like I did and break it, it's been bothering the heck out of me. It says brushless there too on the handle. It's engraved. Everything's the same. So let's take it apart and see what it looks like on the inside, and then pop in the old components into the new case. You've got a bunch of Torx. It's on this side, on the label side. So you got a Torx here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ooh, that one's down deep. That's gonna be a pain in the butt, because I don't think I have a tool long enough for that. I don't. Oh, fail music. Man, that sucks. So what you need is a Torx 15, but even if you have the bit, you can't get it down there, so you need to buy a tool to do this. Man, that sucks. Talk about engineering, right? And it's just one freaking screw. They could have put a thing in it or something so the screw head's closer. But it is not. It is way down there, and it is not accessible. So, down below again, I'll show you the tool you need to fix your DeWalt tools. How annoying. I had to go and buy me some tools, so I got me a nice Craftsman tool set. Why'd I buy a whole bunch? Because one of these was like $6 and all of these was like $14, so might as well. The Craftsman, pretty nice. Link in below description if you want to get one. This set in particular has, the biggest one is a T30, T25, T20, T15 is what we need, and a T10. So at least this set is useful. These are pretty common sizes with Torx. All right, let's move on to the surgery now. Now we can get down that deep hole right there that I could not get with a bit driver. So, Did I say T15? I meant a T10. Sorry, guys. T10 is what you want right there. All right, let's go down and get that one. The deep one that's impossible to get to. That's cool. I've never opened this up, and I feel pretty confident I could show you without making 100 mistakes how to do this without even trying. No instructions, no previous YouTube watching myself, because other people do the same thing I do, or vice versa. All right, so how many screws is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. I think that was just 8 that held this thing together. Now, I don't have the battery on it, so let's try to pry it up from here. Okay, so it's still got something holding it together. What is it? What is it? Okay, well, right there, there's a sticker. So we're gonna need to slice that to get the two halves apart. Using my little handy dandy cash card knife. I absolutely love this thing. Maybe I gotta link you to that too. He's very sharp and gets the job done. Okay, so it's coming apart a little bit now at the base. Let's see. So I'm just kind of prying this carefully. Mine's broken at the base, so... Okay, there was something there. Oh boy, we're gonna have to figure that out. Almost a little clip shot out. I guess I could reuse some stickers. Pulled that one off. Let's try to do this a little more carefully. Man, this thing does not want to come apart very easily though, eh? Okay. So, I don't know if you saw that or not, but while lifting the base, I kind of twisted this top and I got it off to get the drill head out. And make sure to get your plastic piece right here for the selector out. And let's see what this looks like. So that's how it sits in there. Not much to it, right? Let's get the other one open. And we'll just try to do a very surgical swappy-doodad to where it is done the same as possible. Look at that, I'm literally just picking this up as one unit and sort of just setting it down in the new one. I mean, look at that. I even got the wires around the screw right here, and because you don't want to pinch that. Got that in the first try. Now let's see what else is there. Oh, that's hilarious. They got a security tag on the inside of the drill. That's pretty smart. I mean, to those thieves that are trying to steal this stuff, you know, good luck with that. You'd have to take the drill apart to get the security tag out, right? All right, so let's see. So this thing, the selector goes in there. How does that decide what to select? It's got like a, it's got a little cutout right there, so it looks like there's a nub. Okay, I see it. Okay, right above the trigger. See the trigger right here that you pull in? On top of the trigger right there, there's a little nub. And that little nub has to go into this little hole here. So go ahead and put that in. And I think the arrows, yeah, the arrows just face forward. And just kind of pop that in, so at least it doesn't matter which position it's in as long as it's in there. So you can see the arrow. I got mine facing forward, which I believe is the correct orientation. And then let's see, for the handle right here, you use a couple slots, make sure that that's lined up and you push that down in there. And let's see here. Where does that go? Let's look at the old handle. Yeah, you can see that crack on my old one. See that? Look at that. Sucker's like broken half. Okay, and then the other piece of plastic is right here, is this thing right here, which is your, God, what is that? Oh, that's your selector for, I think, speed. So again, see how that's got a cutout? And then on top of this red board here, it's got a nub. Just put that onto that. Try to get this as clear as possible so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. And if I sound like I'm guessing what I'm doing, I kind of am. This is the first time I've done this, and I'm just figuring it out as I go here, guys. But I promise you, we will get this together and working, and we'll test it. Let's see, how does that go together? Well, it definitely fits in there. I just have it backwards or not lined up correctly. I think I got it backwards. Let's flip this around. Okay, that was all it is. So, if this thing doesn't slide in, this little piece of plastic right here for the selector on that board, you've got it in backwards. Just flip it around and you're good. Now, the one thing that's going to bother the heck out of me is this clip. I'm not sure what that's for. It flew out. I did not see what it went to. It might have something to do with the battery, like how the battery sits in there. But as far as the rest of this goes, this is all put together. I'm going to pop on the case. Let's see if this just pops into place. This wire, I think, right here where that arrow was, I think that goes down a little ways, or I don't want to obstruct that. All right, so if you look here, yeah, right here you can see that there's a channel right there, and I believe that red and black wire go down in that channel. So I'm going to just go ahead and push that down into that channel using a flathead screwdriver and making sure I don't push too hard and accidentally cut the wire or anything silly like that. So let's see. Now you can kind of see it's pushed down out of the way, because before it was kind of sticking out a little bit and going over the buttonhole. This is an art putting this together. It's like you have to rotate it in place, I think. It goes straight down like it should. Hands are greasy. There's a little bit of grease on the inside. Try not to grease up my brand new case, even though it'll stay new looking for about 3 seconds until I use it. If I push that button this way a little bit. Well, that button's in there kind of loose. Okay, I pushed the button out. You see it? So I can kind of get my case to line up better. That kind of worked. Okay. And this needs to line up. So far I got the top down good. Bottom's kind of not coming together. Something holding it. Don't force it. probably just something a little bit out of alignment. What is it? Oh, it was this thing. I had to push this down a little bit. Now I got it to come together. So now it is 100% together, not screwed in, minus that clip that shot out. I have no idea. I'm going to try putting the battery in it and see if that clip's even needed. All right, well, here's my DeWalt drill, and you can see that that clip is nowhere in there. I'm looking around in there for it, and I don't know. I don't think it is 100% necessary for operation, so let's just try it out. So that clips in good, and that comes out good. My selector works. My direction works. Both directions and lock. And power settings or speed. Works. It all works. So let's screw it back together. Minus that clip. Hey, it's weight savings reduction, right? I think it's like speed and hammer force, maybe? I don't know. Alright, go one more time. Doesn't have to be ultra tight, guys. These are machine screws, so they stop when they're done. Okay. Well, there we go. Back in business, baby. And selector, like I was saying. Left, right, lock. And then speed selector here. Pop that back in a direction. High speed. Low speed. Oh, I mean that's high speed. Medium speed. Low speed. Well, that is our conclusion. So yeah, don't be afraid to fix these. They go together pretty easy, and they can be fixed for $20 plus the cost of a Torx 10 long, narrow screwdriver. All right, till next time, guys. Let's keep up the tools and all the fun. And if you like these videos, let me know. If you have any questions about repairing your tools, let me know. All right, next time.